guys, I'm just gonna show you guys a little tour of the place real quick because I haven't shown you guys it yet and I just really want to show you guys. So here is the first bathroom and like I freaking love this thing. It's so cool. And then there's a tub, very nice tub. Here is the sink, which is just this beautiful like marble, I don't know, granite maybe. So there is this bathroom and there's tons of shelf space and those are my painting clothes. So here's like the doorway and here's the first room. Has not been painted yet, so just saying this color is not staying. We're painting it white. So there's one mirror in here, and then here is a giant closet. So this is what the closet looks like. It's pretty freaking big. So then you walk right here out of that room, and here is a nice sized closet, most likely for towels and stuff, I don't know. Then you walk this way from the bathroom, and here is this like little area where we're going to like put all of our game boards and stuff. And then here is like the doorway. This needs repainted too, as you can see. And there is a coat closet right here. So there's the coat closet, nice size coat closet. And then here is the entry door, which also needs repainted. So then here is the living room, which has been painted, but there's still probably a couple areas that could use a little bit of repaint. But there is a fireplace, and then it just goes around and that goes outdoors. So, hi me. So then over here is where the kitchen is. This is where like the dining room table will go, right here. And then here is the kitchen. You walk this way and like here's all the kitchen stuff, and then that's the garage. Here's the laundry room, and then we have a closet here that we can put stuff in. I'm thinking that's gonna be the pantry pretty much. Here is my room, and so here is the space. I'm so excited to set everything up, but here is another exit to the outside, so I can let Chloe out. And I don't like these curtains. Let me know if you do, but I just don't. Kyle said he likes them, but I think they're ugly. So then here is the bathtub in here. It's about the same size, I would say, but I don't really like this color, but like obviously not up to me. And then it has the same bathroom setup, but I do want to get white lights up here because those just aren't the vibe, guys. So then lots of shelving space. Love that for me. I am so excited to show you guys this part because it's my favorite part. So let me just turn the light on first and let's just open the door. This is my walk-in closet. I'm so excited. I freaking have always wanted a walk-in closet and this one's just huge. So I'm so freaking excited to have this. And look, it even has a hook right here that I can put like my outfit of the day on. I'm so freaking excited to just get moved in already. Okay guys, story time, because I think I forgot to tell you guys. I've shown you guys my new car, but yesterday I had to go to the bank, and going out of the bank, there's like arrows pointing to which way you're supposed to go out. I got hit. Someone literally jumped the curb over, hit the back of my car, and it's my brand new car and it just got hit. So it's okay, I'm fine, everything's fine, I'm good. I mean, it didn't hurt me at all, but like it still impacted my car, so I'm like, my baby. Like I've been so freaking cautious, and then for that to happen I was like, no. But it's okay, I'm doing fine, I'm good. But I just wanted to tell you the little story time real quick. So I'm gonna get off here now. Hey guys, so I am at the new place and I have all of my clothes in the closet and it looks insane right now, but I am organizing it. So I just wanted to show you guys like a before and after because this is gonna be so satisfying. When you walk in, there's like a lot of stuff. Guys, so it has been a cool minute since I have talked to you guys, done anything with the vlog. I just wanted to show you guys, some of my friends came over tonight and they gave me a housewarming gift and it's just so sweet, so I wanted to show you guys. They put them in these cute little bags, which I'm obsessed with because this is like one of my favorite colors, so I freaking love that, and I love gold and like just it looks so freaking cute. So they got me some stuff from Bath & Body Works, hand soap, and I freaking love hand soap from Bath & Body Works. Like that's all that I use. So body lotion, and this is just so cute. Like, can you imagine just like setting this out and like it looks so luxurious and I just love it. They got me this cute little candle, which is the Gingham scent. And I actually have the soap and I love this one. Oh, I have the soap and the sanitizer. I love both of them. And actually it's the soap that's in my dispenser right now. I freaking love the scent. It's just so like fresh smelling. It's like fresh linen almost, but like in more of a floral type way, if that makes sense. Like it kind of smells like laundry detergent, but I love that. So yeah, I really love this candle. It's just so cute and simplistic, and it's something that you need in a home always. You know, gotta reuse the bags, so you gotta save those. The second bag is more like kitchenware stuff. There's a spoon, a spatula, and tongs, not thongs. There are some little hand towels, which are always needed in the kitchen. Thank you guys so much if you were watching this. I appreciate it so much, and it's just very sweet, so thank you guys. I really need to show you guys the room now because I have not shown you guys it yet, and I am almost completely finished. I just have one box to finish and I am completely done. So I gotta show you guys because I'm so excited. Real quick, I just wanted to show you how cute the middle of our table looks. I have the best smelling candle right here, and then look at the kisses jar. Isn't that just so cute? I freaking love it. And then we have our stack of coasters here. I just wanted to show you guys that real quick before we move on to my room. So the room I'm super stoked for. When you first walk in, you see the little mini fridge. Not that interesting. Here's the bed on the other side. So then here's my little setup where like I can sit to do pictures and everything, because you know I do like makeup artistry pictures and stuff, so that will be right there. This is the one that I still have to unpack. That's dirty laundry, don't mind that. That one's like giveaway stuff. And then I have this one, which the top stuff's not gonna be on here. There's gonna be a TV there instead. For now, I just kind of have this stuff set up here. And then this one, I'm not sure if I'm gonna leave it out here or not, because I don't really think I like how crowded this looks. We'll see, because I might stick it over in that little corner over there. But there's this, and then here is the table that we just put together yesterday. So that's what it looks like. It's so nice. I got this one on Amazon, and I will link it down below because it was a lot cheaper than the Alex 9 drawer, and it honestly wasn't too hard to assemble. Me and my boyfriend did it pretty well together. So then up here I have my makeup. Not all of it, it's definitely all in here. If you guys want to see how I store my makeup, let me know because I would love to do that type of video. That is the bathroom. There's my mirror. You come over this way. Hi, like my outfit, it's so cute. It's basic college girl outfit. You come over this way, and this is my desk, and these are samples for something exciting happening. You guys know I'm trying to start my makeup company, so these are some samples, a little sneak peek. You can't see any of them though, so that's good. So over here, then I just have my makeup set up for like doing makeup every day. And speaking of doing makeup every day, guys, here's the real stuffs real quick. So guys, I was sent the new Fenty mascara, and guys, I freaking love this mascara. Like, you have no idea. It's so freaking good. Like, look at my eyelashes right now. Like, I don't know if you can see it that good like on camera, because sometimes my lashes look shorter on camera. I don't know what it is about it. That's why I always wear falsies. But like, my lashes look really good right now, and I'm very excited about it. And I will like put in a little tiny video so that you guys can see how freaking good they look, because guys, This mascara is freaking bomb, and I mean, I love Rihanna. I love the Fenty line. Like, I have loved it since it came out. When it first launched, I was like, I have to get products. You guys know I'm a big fan of Fenty, but like, this mascara is phenomenal. I'm obsessed, and like, the brush is just perfect. It like gets every little lash, and you're like really able to like maneuver around it and stuff. So I just really love it, and I just had to tell you guys about it real quick. But that is really all for right now. I don't really have anything else going on. It's 11:48, so nothing else going on today. See you guys in the next clip. So real quick, I just wanted to end this vlog here because I'm pretty sure this is the end. So I love you guys all so much. I hope you guys had an amazing day, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!